everyone. Today we are going to draw and color a popsicle. For drawing the popsicle, first draw a U shape and make slant lines like this. I think I need to add a little bit more curve over here like this. Yeah, it's good now. And now from the bottom I'll join it like this. Again, the corners are supposed to be round over here. And at the top over here I'll make a circle for the chocolate balls and a head of a unicorn over here, and add ears like this on the ice cream. Make the inner portion of the ears as well over here. Next you add drip over here like this, and I'll add eyes over here as well. Just add eyelashes as well over here this way, and add a mouth and its tongue here. Now here I'm adding a thought bubble like this, and inside this bubble I'll make a heart over here. Add its tail on the side, add 2 lines in it as well, and make the ice cream stick as well. We are done with the sketch. Now we'll start with the outlining part. Using a black marker, outline everything that is there on the paper. We will not outline the inner lines of the ears, the heart and the drip portion. That we will be outlining with the pink sketch pen. Once you are done outlining using the black sketch pen, erase all the pencil lines and lighten up the lines that are supposed to be outlined using a pink sketch pen. And then we will start outlining them. This way, the brightness of the pink color is maintained and not darkened up due to the darkness of the pencil. Once you are done with that, erase all the pencil lines again. Now using a red sketch pen, add lines over here like this. Now we'll start with the coloring part. Using pink color, I'll color this part of the bubble. I will leave the heart white. We will color that using a dark pink color. I'll use the same color for the ears and the drip as well. Also color this portion of the tail using the pink color. Using yellow color, color the horn over the ice cream as well. Now using dark color, color the heart. Next, use light blue color for the next line on the tail. Now I'm using teal color for that line of the tail, another line of the tail. Now using the blue color, teal color, shades of pink, color these balls over here as well. After dark pink, I'm using red over here. And the pink color as well. Color the tongue pink and take brown color and color its ice cream stick in brown as well. Once you're done coloring the ice cream, let's add something in the background as well to make it look more interesting. Using a blue sketch pen, I'm going to add swirls in the background. And these swirls will be in different sizes as well. For example, over here I've made it big and somewhere it will be a small one, like that. Make sure you're leaving enough space in between as well. For convenience, you can choose to just make the swirls where I'm adding the swirls on my paper. After this, use pink sketch pen and add circles over here in different sizes and color them up this way. This way our background looks more interesting and makes the picture look a bit attractive as well. Now using pink color, add a line of color near the outline of this popsicle here. And that's it. We are done with our picture.